Guys, in this video I'll talk about what is the best budget graphics card for 2021 that you can buy right now. So let's get started. Hey guys, Fahim here from FahimTech, helping master knowledge in technology. If this is your first time here, if you get all the latest tech tutorial, unboxing and review and PC guide just like this one, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the bell so you don't miss my future video. So in this video I'll talk about the focus on the budget category of the graphics card because this is 2021. Because of the crisis of the graphics card, most of the graphics card price one like from $100 to $1,000. So in this video I'll talk about what is the best budget one that you can buy from used and also the brand new. So in this video I'll talk about all of this step by step. So for guys, first thing I'm going to talk about is the why can I buy this. So for this I'm going to use eBay, Micro Center and also Newegg. So first let's go to the Micro Center, and if you next to a Micro Center, go to the Micro Center because it's going to be really important. So for me, I live next to Flushing, about like a 30 minutes 40 minutes away, so that means that is the closest one to my house. But for if you guys live in outside New York, there will be more because in the US there is like a 24 store. So first thing I'm going to talk about is the graphics card is the MSI Gaming GTX 1650. This is the dual fan edition. This is the 4 gigs of VRAM, and this goes for $225. Guys, for this price I think this is the best one you can get. Only problem is this is not a stock on online. This is only in store. So there's only one in store in my store, one in stock in my store. But I think it's gonna be different for you guys. So if this one is for $225 and if it's available on your Micro Center, I highly recommend getting this one. It's only $225. And next we have Newegg. Guys, Newegg is like a question mark thing because there are lots of good one. Thing is the price is not that good. So I actually recommend this one. This is a GTX 1650. This is also a 4 gig model for $276. So as you can see, this one is by MSI and this one is by Gigabyte. So if your choice. And also this one is not in stock, but this one is in stock. So you can add this to the cart and then you can buy it. So this one is $276 or $46 every month. Like for about 6 months with the next store credit card. And so that is the Micro Center and the Newegg. Now let's go to the eBay because I think the best graphics card you can find in budget is the eBay. So as you can see, we sorted out by the condition. So there is the new and the open box. Open box is like someone bought it and then they return it. That is it. And they used this like a used one. So I also have the filter about $140 to $350. So this is in budget. So also there's some memory because if you don't know, the graphics card is memory than your different memory than your like RAM. So if you have the 8 gigs of RAM, but if your graphics card have 4 gig, it's okay. So you can use that. It's going to be different what kind of game you play. It will take the advantage of the VRAM. So it can go for 4, 6, 8. Or if you want to spend like more than $1,000, you can go for 12. But in this video, we're gonna focus on 4 to 8 gig. Guys, I don't recommend this is 2021. This is 2021. I don't recommend go with like a 2 or 1 gig, or even a 3 gig. Go for 4, 8, 6. So first thing I'm gonna talk about is this one. Not a 550. We're gonna talk about this Radeon RX 570. Not that price, right here. So this one go for $162. So this is the condition is new, and as you can see, this is by MSI. As you can see right here, as you can see, this is like sealed. So as you can see, it's not used. So $162, not a bad price. So this is the one that I have, but I have it by XFX. So also that is the 4 gigs one. If you want to spend a bit more and then go for 8 gig, I think the 8 gig for like if you're getting a low and like under $200, go for RX 570 or a 580. Go for the 8 gigs of the VRAM. So I have the 4 gig one, but you can go for 8 gig. So this is the open box. So it's like it's never used and it's like new. So that's why I recommend go for a brand new one or for open box. Now, so we're gonna go for buy it now. So these are the thing you can legit buy right now without any like the bid and stuff. So next we're gonna go for it is another 1650. This is the 4 gig one for $309. So as you can see, this is new, and this is by Asus. Next, there is more. So there's a RX 550, but I don't recommending. That is like too old for today. And also you can get a 1050 Ti. It's just $220. So I think if you're doing a budget one, it's not a bad deal, but I don't recommending this for 2021. I think this you can just get a GTS 1650 for like a $50 or $60 more. No, this is no, only like a $5 more. I think that is worth it. So next, there is a lots of graphics card you can get. Because there is also RX 570 here, because those are the popular one, and those you can find it for cheap. As you can see, there's another one that I like. This is the RX 5000 series. So this is the 5500 XT. This is $314, and this is also new. So as you can see, there's a lot of option. Because for this, you just need to look for the best price. So this is another one. This is the 1650, and this is goes for. This is a 6 gigs of VRAM. This, as you can see, this 100% work, come with the original liter box, and hand ship within 48 days. So this is the MSI, but this is by MSI, and this is the 6 gigs of VRAM. So that's a pretty good deal. So I don't recommend it. As you can see right here, I don't recommend go with any of these. I just go for at least 570 or up. As you can see, there's another 1650 for $300, and this one is a 1650 for $265. So as you can see, there's a lot of option. And I guess this is one more thing, I don't recommend going with any of these. These are like too old, like the Nvidia like 510. These are like too old, so I don't recommend going with any of those. So as you can see, this is a XFS 570. This is 4 gigs, because this is the one that I have, and this one is this is a brand new for $154. I think this is the best option you can get. Only $154, and this is brand new. As you can see, this is a model that I have, and you can connect multiple display to this. This is only $155. So guys, think about now, just go and look for the one that is available, and that is the it's not gonna be the same as MSRP because of the crisis that is happening right now, but it will be pretty close. This thing will be pretty close. So that's why I recommend go for a eBay, Micro Center, or I guess the New York price is higher than the Micro Center and eBay. So that's why I just go to Micro Center or eBay. So as you can see, there is a tons of options you can choose from. So guys, that is it for this quick video. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Then peace out.